Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Events Calendar to your website. Let's start by creating your account. Go to EventsCalendar-co and click the Get Started button. On the Sign Up page, enter your name, email, and choose a password. Once you've signed up, you'll land on your dashboard. In EventsCalendar-co, every calendar is linked to a site. Start by entering your website domain and a name for your calendar. This creates your first site and calendar in a single step. Now you're in your calendar dashboard. From this page, you can manage all your events. Let's create your first one by clicking the Add Your First Event button. Enter a title and a brief description for your event. You can use the built-in AI Assist to quickly refine your text, making it short and precise or long and descriptive. Add the location of the event. Choose a color tag for it and set the date and time. If it's a recurring event, you can schedule it to repeat daily, weekly, and choose the interval you prefer. Want to make it pop? Upload a photo from your computer. You can also add a link for more details. With the upgraded version, you can assign events to categories, making it easier for visitors to filter ands. Add an RSVP button to collect responses. Great! Your first event has been created and should now appear in the calendar preview. If you already manage your events on a platform like Google Calendar or Eventbrite, you can connect it in seconds. Outlook, Zoom, or any ICS links are also supported. Next, on the View page, you can choose how your calendar will appear on your site. Start by setting the default view month, week, agenda, or the stylish cards layout. Pick whatever fits your site best. You can also set a different layout specifically for mobile devices. On the Design page, you can choose from preset color themes or fully customize the colors to match your site's branding. On the Settings page, you can further customize your calendar by adjusting various parameters like language or time zone controls, especially helpful if your audience spans multiple regions. Your calendar is now ready. Click Publish to push your saved changes to the live version, which we're about to embed on your site. To embed, go to the Install page of your calendar dashboard. Here, you'll find the embed code snippet we'll use on the next step. Now go to your website builder. In my case, it's Squarespace, but it works similarly on most platforms. Navigate to the section or page of your website where you want the calendar to appear. Click Add Section, choose Add a blank section, then click Add Block and scroll down to select the Embed option. Press Edit, switch to the Code Snippet tab, and press Embed Data. Paste the code here. Now your calendar is in. Press back and stretch the blockers to fully display the calendar. Save and exit to see the page. Your calendar is now displayed. That's it. Let us know how it went. We'd love your feedback.